Welcome back to Reviews Per Minute. Today we're checking out our newest rolling yacht, our 2009 Bentley Continental Flying Spur Speed. For a car that's well over a decade old now, the Flying Spur still looks incredible. This thing screams luxury, and it's still gonna break necks on the road with things like these gorgeous 20-inch wheels and this blue hazed privacy tint. The Flying Spur has stood the test of time for over 15 years. There will not be a single point in time where this car does not look incredible. Even opening up the hood on your Flying Spur is cool. You pull this up, the B pops out from the logo, you pull that, and underneath you are met with its 6-liter twin-turbo W12. And like I said, this is a Flying Spur Speed, meaning it's been bumped up from the regular Flying Spur to 600 horsepower. Yes, your luxury sedan is a rocket, and it also sounds really, really good. And just as you guessed, the interior is incredible. You have this gorgeous diamond-stitched leather covering the entire car, this wood paneling everywhere, Bentley embroidering on your headrest, the iconic Bentley clock in the center, and hopping in the rear. Your passengers are going to be just as comfortable as you are with the same diamond-stitched leather seats, individual AC control, and automatic seat adjustments in the rear. This is a dream to be chauffeured in. So if you're looking for a timeless luxury sedan, make sure to head over to rpmgaragetexas.com to check out the full listing, and we'll see you guys in the next Reviews Per Minute.